Dear parents, it's always a delight to see you among us. Today marks our first open house. This is a new concept that we're trying to introduce this year to allow our dear parents to meet with the teachers of their children.
Why Classera first, before going into details? You might say WhatsApp is easier, and why we're going to Classera, it's somehow difficult. We are facing some problems. However, what we here are searching for is not the easiest, but the most effective.
Format is measure of academic progress because this test is designed to help the students and to help us and the parents to know the weaknesses, to know the strength points of each student individually.
I would like to talk to you about extracurricular activities. We provide our students with excellence in education. We want our students to be able to conquer the world with their skills, with their distinguished personalities, with their values, and also with their capacities.
أنا أخت عيسى سلامة بلش بالهدى أمريكان سكولز السنة الماضية مثلا على كلاسيرا إشي كتير حلو لأنه كتير منظم غير عن قبل حتى البرزنتيشنز اللي عم بياخدوها كل إشي أنا عم بشوف يعني هذا إشي كتير حلو إنه واحد يتابع مع الولد إنه شو عم بياخد بالضبط مش بس ياخده بالمدرسة.